Hello and welcome back to another video on the channel. I'm Dan CableGuy, and today we're going through the final review video of this RS Propmasters A&H Stunt replica helmet. Roll the photos. So let's review the process from the beginning. This came as an ABS kit direct from RS. All the way through the build I used reference photos of Simon's original helmet to match up the construction. This even went down to small details like how I cut out the teeth in the frown area. Once I was happy with the construction, it was time to start on the painting. To replicate the original PP plastic used for the original helmets, I went with a coat of fossil green. This was followed by an oxide red, again to replicate the original process. Next up is around 3 coats of gloss white. In this case I was using Ford Diamond White. Getting the white gloss coat right is a bit of a task. It's a case of layering the paint to the point where it's quite thick, so it's nice and glossy, but not so that it's running all the way down the helmet. Although, of course, the odd paint run is fine for a New Hope stunt helmet. Once the spray painting's done, it's on to all of the hand painted details. Everything on this helmet is hand painted without any templates being used. And there we go, we're on to glory shots now of the completed helmet. If you're a collector, honestly, having a fully spray painted helmet is such a different look and feel to ABS. It's definitely a must-have for your collection. I hope those photos gave you an idea of just how much detail has gone into this helmet. It is hard to capture things like subtle weathering on a photo or even in some videos, so it really is a different beast in the flesh. As you'll see from those photos, there are things like the mild weathering, which I've done with things like bits of rubber trim, but also done the newspaper technique where you get black ink newspaper, dip it into water, drain out the water, and then just gently dab it on some of the high spots. And it does put little areas where it looks more weathered and naturally worn out. So bits like that are on the helmet, and of course you would have seen that it does have the appearance of paint chips, which is where it looks like a green plastic is coming through the helmet. As you've seen in the photos and with my voiceover there, it isn't actually a green helmet underneath, it is a white ABS helmet. But all of these things come together to give it such a nice appearance. This is actually matched with some ABS armour, so you will see the colour is a nice close match, the paint colour versus the ABS. And the ABS on this suit has some slight weathering as well, again to make it all look slightly screen used. So I really hope you've enjoyed the process of building and completing this RS Propmasters helmet. Here's a link to the playlist, so feel free to click on that and look at it from opening the box right the way through to this completed helmet. I've thoroughly enjoyed it, and I'd just like to say thanks for the support on the posts that I've put out, the videos. Everyone seems to have enjoyed the build, which I'm really pleased about, and I hope everyone likes the end result. I certainly do, and this will certainly be staying in my collection. So for now, that's me done. If you've enjoyed the video or the whole series, do feel free to drop a like and subscribe. If you've got any feedback or comments, do just put them in the comments section below. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.